Hello viewers, I am very glad to see all of you through this YouTube video. Here with us Dr. Ernest. Dr. Ernest is a practicing dentist in the Gulf of Oman. So he is actually a maxillofacial team surgeon working with a group of maxillofacial dentists in Oman, and he has got vast experience in various maxillofacial procedures, and he is from India, he is from Chennai. So he came to our academy with a particular request saying that he wants to update on dental implants. So we have gracefully helped him to undergo a course on dental implantology because he is very knowledge oriented. He wants to update himself regularly and he wants to keep up his promise that he has to update. So let's ask him the story of how his learning was at Maligai Dental Academy. Over to sir. Excuse me sir, how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you very much sir for the
Thank you.
for the trust you have on our academy and myself and our team. So please share your valuable experience about the implant learning today. You can tell us.
Actually, it was a very short notice. I'm so thankful that you accepted this notice and you accepted me into the training program. And this is very basic. So it was good actually, the introduction, and in fact it was very informal. So I like the way it was so informal, not that formal, and good introduction into the system and basics. And the rest of the things, of course, I'm going to do it online and would like to join the hands-on course also. It was anyway a wonderful experience, and I like the team here that has been doing this good job. Thank you so much for that, and it's a good experience.
So today in this course we had an orientation where we were discussing and seeing a lot of patients. Very recently we have done. So can you share what touched you? Oh, this is so good. Any aha moments in the course?
In the course, the aha moments was like, I had seen some of the implant systems long back. I am seeing that the amount of new systems and the amount of new technology that has come into it, because at those times we did not have all this scanners and all those things. So I remember going for a workshop at that point of time when there was no scanner. Now things are so different, and it is more easy and more precise and more accurate. So all those things that you talked about, the milling and all those things, that is also something very new to me for actually. And because we are not into this, we are into more of maxillofacial surgery. So this was all good insight into implants, and I am quite surprised by the number of systems that you have.
One thing I wanted to do today was to put the quote of the ball in your court about the curiosity factor. So how curious are you?
Yeah, I am curious now. I just wanted to have more hands-on experience with patients, and I'll definitely come back for that.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, regarding this updation of knowledge for the people who are working in Gulf country, there are a lot of dentists that are coming from Gulf countries nowadays to our academy to do surgical course and also for knowledge orientation, prosthetics and things like that. How important is this for the people there in Gulf and other countries, Middle Eastern countries?
Yeah, it is important because see, any of these courses is going to, first thing is you have something called CPD. Yes. So you are getting your continuous professional development. Yes. It is your personal development. It is not about the money. It's not about this. It's how updated you are. So basically, it is for your own personal development. Is my first thing. It's after that this is going to get you more opportunities and more money, or all those things are secondary. My thing is you are developing yourself. You are updating yourself with the latest of technologies and the whatever techniques that is new available. So it's basically for that rather than anything else.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind feedback and your wonderful inspiration for us. Though you are very senior to me, almost more than 6 years you are elder to me and senior to me, you have that josh of learning. I am very inspired by that, first of all, because a lot of people, they give up on their studies once they cross a age. But not only for the personal, professional thing, but for as a personal, you are coming and learning. Even this short leave of around 20 days, you have a leave and you have come. Thank you very much, sir. Dear viewers, thank you so much for your continuous support to our YouTube channel. I would request you to kindly subscribe to our channel and put your valuable comments And if you have any request, please see the number which is going below, and you can contact me for your upgradation of your skills. Thank you very much, Dr. Ernest sir. Thank you so
sir.
much,
Thank you
and
so
God
much.
bless you. Thank you.